Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to block a specific channel on YouTube Kids. If you don't like the type of content coming out from that specific channel and you want to block it entirely, in this video I'm going to show you how to do that. So open your YouTube Kids app. You have to click on a video of the channel you want to block first. So when you click on the video, you have to click on the three dots at the top right corner. You see the option that says block. Click on it. Here you have to select block this channel and then block. It's going to show you your passcode or a quick math to solve. Just select the answer and click on next. It will block that channel entirely. So that's how you block a channel on YouTube Kids. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.